Hi guys! Today we find friends on SoundCloud. If you want to connect with your friends and listen to the music they share, SoundCloud actually makes it really easy. First, unlock your phone and open the SoundCloud app. Once the app launches, you'll land on the main home page where you can see music and recommendations. But since we want to find friends, we'll move to the search option in the next step. After opening SoundCloud, look at the bottom middle of the screen where you'll see the search icon. This is the tool that lets you find songs, artists, and of course your friends. So simply tap on the search icon to open the search page. Once the search page opens, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Here, you can type your friend's username, email, or real name. After typing the name, SoundCloud will start showing results related to your search. After typing your friend's name in the search bar, go ahead and tap the search button at the bottom right side of the keyboard. This will display a list of results related to that name, including tracks, playlists, and user accounts. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll notice different filter options like tracks, playlists, and profiles. Since we're looking for a person, simply tap on the profiles option. This will show all the SoundCloud accounts related to the name you searched. Finally, you'll see a list of different profiles with that name. Just look for your friend's correct profile picture or username, and once you find it, tap the follow button. This way, you'll start following them and see their activity and music on your feed. And that's how you can easily find and follow your friends on SoundCloud in just a few simple steps. Once you follow them, you'll also be able to see the music they like and share. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful guides. And feel free to comment below if there's another app tutorial you'd like to see next.